How to download and install PL SQL Developer on Windows. First, you have to open up your browser, and then into the search option, you need to search for PL/SQL Developer. Hit the search, and you just need to simply click on the website, which is all around automations. You need to just simply click on it. So as you can see right now into the website, you'll have this kind of interface. You just need simply scroll down a bit, and you will have an option of try it for free, which will be in the top right. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. You'll have this functionality called PL SQL Developer Evaluation. So here you need to select which operating system you're using right now. So in my case, I'm using Windows 64-bit. So you just need to simply go and select it. And after that, you need to just simply hit the download button. Once you click on download, it will start the downloading process. You need to just simply go with the download arrow, which will be in the top right. And then you need to click on the file, go with download unverified file, and wait for a few seconds. And once the file has been downloaded, you need to click on the file, and it will say preparing to install. And now you need to just simply go with next, and then accept the terms and conditions. Go with next again. And here you will have two options, which is install for all users and install for current user. So I'm going to go with the first one and then go with next. And then you will have the license options right here. Just go and select first one, which is install trial version, and go with next. And proceed with the following steps. You can go and select the setup type, which is complete or custom. You need to select complete and then go with next. And it will start the installation process. Click on install. And in this way, you'll be able to download and install PL SQL Developer on your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.